Absence of voltage from B phase to ground means the B phase conductor isn't energized relative to ground. This can stem from several issues. Firstly, an open circuit. A break in the B phase conductor, like a damaged wire or loose connection, prevents current flow. This results in 0 volts between the B phase and ground, because there is no electrical path for current. Secondly, unintentional grounding. If the B phase conductor contacts the ground, perhaps through a fault or damaged insulation, the voltage drops to 0. The current flows directly to ground instead of the intended circuit. Thirdly, a faulty circuit breaker or fuse. If the circuit breaker or fuse protecting the B phase trips or blows, it disconnects the phase from the power source. This results in no volts from B phase to ground, as the circuit isn't energized. Fourthly, phase imbalance. In a three-phase system, voltage imbalances can occur due to uneven loading or other factors. If the voltage on the B phase is significantly lower than the other two phases, it can appear as if there's no voltage from B phase to ground. The consequences of 0 voltage from B phase to ground are significant. Equipment connected to the B phase won't receive power and will stop working. If the 0 voltage results from a ground fault, it presents a safety hazard if not resolved quickly. Troubleshooting the cause of 0 voltage on the B phase can be difficult, needing a thorough inspection of the electrical system. Here are steps to resolve this issue. Firstly, inspect the wiring. Check the B phase conductor for breaks, loose connections, or damage. Secondly, confirm circuit integrity. Verify the circuit breaker or fuse protecting the B phase isn't tripped or blown. Thirdly, test for ground faults. Use a ground fault indicator or a multimeter to identify unintentional grounding. If unable to resolve the issue, contact a qualified electrician for assistance.